Hello, I'm Betty and welcome back to Class Monitor's YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn all about shapes and have lots of fun. Are you ready? Let's go. Look around. Can you spot any shapes? I see a gigantic Ferris wheel over there. Can you guess what shape it is? That's right. It's a circle. Circles are round. Let's see some other things in the shape of a circle. Wheel, pizza, ball, sun. There is another shape similar to a circle. Can you spot it? It's an oval shape. An oval shape is not a perfect round, like an egg, mirror, balloon, watermelon. Look at the red castle. Can you spot any shape on this building? Yes, the windows are in a square shape. A square has all the sides of the same length, like photo frame, dice, cake, and bread. I hear the ice cream truck. It's time for ice cream. And guess what? The ice cream cart is in the shape of a rectangle. The opposite side of the rectangle are of the same size, similar to a door, book, television, box. Look at the carousel ride going round and round. That looks so fun. Kids, is there any shape there? I see one on the roof. What about you? That's right, it's a triangle. Triangle shape is found in many other things like tree, cap, tent, sandwich. Hey, look up in the sky. There is a kite flying. Can you guess what's the shape of the kite? It's a rhombus. Some things that have the shape of rhombus are diamond, kite, jewelry, trowel. Oh look, the sun has set. It's getting dark. The stars are shining. Can you spot the star anywhere else? That's right. It's on my chest. You know what else is star-shaped? It's starfish, pendant, cookies, batch. We can also see the moon. How is the moon shaped? It is crescent. You know what else is crescent shaped? It's banana, croissant, cashew, red chili. So, we learned so many shapes today. Let's revise them before we go home. Circle, oval, square, rectangle, triangle, rhombus, stars, crescent. Also, if you spot any other shapes, let me know in the comments. It's time to go home. Thank you for coming with me to the amusement park. See you soon.